Hello, welcome to Cooking in Quarantine, weekend edition. Today, we're making leftovers. No, it's a joke. We're making eggs. I like to eat 4 eggs every morning when I have eggs. There's only 3 in this. But what we can do, perfect. I like to make my eggs in a way that Katie thinks is weird.
I hate it.
Why do you hate it?
I don't hate it.
Why do you hate it?
I hate it.
So, boring people, use something like this to make their eggs. I like to use this. It's a pot.
There's just so much more surface area in the pot.
That's not true at all.
Yeah, there is.
Oh, wait. Yeah, no, that is completely true.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which makes it better for heat. So we're making pot scrambled eggs with Gouda cheese. Throw some green stuff in there, some baby spinach. It's baby spinach. I like to take the pot off the stove and bring it over here to the sink. I can see all the stuff in our sink. And I like to crack the egg right here. So when I inevitably make a mess, it goes into the sink. There's 1 egg, which is enough. That's French, a little French joke for you. If Mrs. Grimmer's watching, or Mr. Clar, I still remember the jokes. Nice, and 1 more egg. All right, so we got eggs in the pot. And we're gonna just add that, start the fire machine. And we're gonna let that heat. While I get the egg bits off my hand. So I like to use the low heat while I get the rest of the ingredients in the pot. Now this is where the art of cooking comes into play. You just kinda eyeball it. Seems fine. Katie doesn't like it when the spinach gets wet.
It's like starting to go bad. It gets like all like slimy and gross.
Yeah, but because I'm cooking this, I don't care, so I just throw it in there. And then I like to use a wood apparatus, spoon, wood spoon, and constant agitation, as we say in photography when we're developing film. Just keep it moving, keep it grooving. I could have chopped the spinach, but I didn't because my goal with breakfast most of the time is to cook it as fast as possible to get it in my body because it's fuel. So I just keep stirring and stirring and stirring, and then it'll set up and then I'll eat it. This is also a really good way to make like 12 eggs at a time because they all set up at once. Don't shake your head, Katie. You know it's true. Are you getting a good shot of this? Look at that. Look at how good that looks. Here, let me turn this off-color light on.
Yeah, but it's our like only saucepan that size, and it's gonna be full of eggs now. Gross eggs all over it.
It's like delicious eggs.
Delicious eggs all
Cheesy,
over it.
spinachy eggs.
And when I want to use it, it's gonna be dirty, covered in eggs.
No, someone will clean it. We'll decide who off camera. So yeah, it's starting to set up now. This is the part where it gets really interesting to look down at the bowl, but that's fine. You know, different filmmakers make different creative choices.
You get so mean when you're hungry.
I'm so hungry.
Why are you
I'm so
picking
hungry.
at-
Cooking in quarantine. Fighting with your significant other in quarantine.
I'm not fighting.
Are we not? It's done. I just like to add a little bit of sriracha or Frank's Red Hot Sauce, depending on what kind of mood I'm in. And yeah, a spoon. All right, let's give this creation a try. It's probably gonna be a little hot. Let's see. Perfect eggs.